Hello dear friends, welcome back to Advanced Arabic Course YouTube channel. First of all, my first English to Arabic translation is I am from Nepal. I am from Nepal. How to say in Arabic language? Ana min Nepal. Ana min Nepal. Ana means I. Okay. Min yani from. Nepal is a country. Nepal means Nepal. I am from Nepal. How to say in Arabic language? Ana min Nepal. Okay. What will you say next again? Ana min Nepal. Take the next sentence. I am from Kerala. I am from Kerala. How to say in Arabic language? Ana min Kerala. Ana min Kerala. Ana means I mean yani from Kerala yani Kerala is a state. What will you say next again? Ana min Kerala. I am from Kerala. Take the next sentence. I am from Saudi. I am from Saudi Arabia, as you like. How to say in Arabic language? Ana min Saudi Arabia. Ana means Saudi Arabia. We will take the next sentence. I am from Mumbai. I am from Mumbai. Yani, how to say in Arabic language? Ana min Mumbai. Ana min Mumbai. We will take the next sentence. I am from Dubai. I am from Dubai. How to say in Arabic language? Ana min Dubai. Okay. Ana means I, min means from, or Dubai yani country. Dubai is a country. Ana min Dubai. We will take the next sentence. I am from Kuwait. I am from Kuwait. How to say in Arabic language? Ana min Kuwait. Ana min Kuwait. We will take the next sentence. I am from India. I am from India. How to say in Arabic language? Ana min Hind. Ana min Hind. I am from India. Take the next sentence. I am from Bangladesh. I am from Bangladesh. How to say in Arabic language? Ana min Bangladesh. Ana min Bangladesh. Yani Bangladesh is a country. Subscribe for more.